Here with a look at Caspa. All right, the last video we called a bottom in here, and that bottom has held. Okay, if we look at this chart real quick, we're going to dig deeper into it here, but just real fast here, you can count out these 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, we got 5 waves up, and then we had right in here we had an A, a B, and a C correction. All right, ABCs normally signal a bottom, and now we are breaking out of this resistance area right here. Let me get that alarm off here for the video. I had that on there to enter a long position, which I got entered. A lot of us over in Discord entered it as soon as it broke. If you're interested, the level 3 membership, $14.99. Come join us. We would love to have you guys over there. We're killing the trades over there, guys. Doing very, very well. Have 186 members now, and a lot of new people over there, and we have a lot of professional traders over there. Okay, it's no joke. It's a very professional trading group. So got a lot of guys out there post trades. You know what I would suggest is if you sign up for the level 3, watch the videos and then come over. I have a video on how to use MEXC, how to set up your trading view, how to you know, everything. 9 hours of videos, 20 of them, 20 plus videos, plus a link to the Discord, okay, which will get you in over there with us. We're people in there 24 hours a day. All right, so come join us. $14.99, man. It's gonna be a long bull run. Let's make a pile of cash. We got a long ways to go. You know, the next bull run, you know, as sad as I hate to say it, but it's hard to tell what kind of what's going to come into the market, you know, as far as regulations and stuff like that. So might be your last bull run to really make some serious money. So take it very serious. You know, if you don't learn from me, go out there and get a course off somebody else and learn. Okay, you're not going to find one cheaper than mine. I'm a small YouTuber. I have 4,000 subs. I have to generate some kind of income, and definitely my members, I can't thank you enough. A big shout out to you guys. Huge shout out. You know, you keep me doing these videos. You know, if it wasn't doing these videos, I would just be trading all day, which I love. I absolutely am addicted to it. I cannot get enough of it. And so thank you very, very much. I appreciate it, and I love every single one of you. Anything I can do for you, hit me up in Discord. If you see me on there, just shoot me a message or leave me a message on Discord, and when I open up my Discord, I'll get it. All right, let's move on with this video. And how about Bitcoin? Another new all-time high. This is crazy. 72,720 bucks. Unbelievable. March, the beginning of March. This is absolutely crazy. I didn't expect anything like this until fall. What this signals, I don't know. You know, is it an early bull run? Is this going to be an extended bull run? Did the ETF, you know, is that what kicked this all into motion? You know what I'm saying? This shouldn't be happening yet. We haven't even had the Bitcoin halving yet. You know, that's coming up here in next month. So pretty crazy what's going on in the crypto market, that's for sure. You know, next target up here, the 1618's up at $101,862. You know, and it's not going to head straight for that. We're going to have pullbacks. Don't be surprised if we get one of them big hammers, one of them 20-30% pullbacks. Happened a lot the last bull run. You know, if you come back over here, you know, it might not look like much right here, but look at this. Look at this one here. From that top down to there, there's 31%. Okay, from this one here, there's 26%. Some of these were brutal, man. Look at this one, This is the one that's, I remember this one like it was yesterday. 55%. Okay, so it's not just a straight up run. They get these pullbacks, so there's 20% right out of the gate, and that was in June and July. Down here was COVID, so maybe last time, after when we had that COVID, we had the halving in, would have been right February, March, April. Maybe we would have been starting up, right here in January, just like, we are now. So without COVID there, maybe we would have. But right now, Bitcoin is just flying. This is absolutely crazy. So at some time here, I think this is a 4th and a 5th wave. We're going to get a big pullback, regardless of it, if it blasts up past here and comes back and it's going to have to push up. You're going to get something like this eventually. All right, you're going to get this push up through here, and then a back test of the previous all-time high, and then a bounce. All right, that I can pretty much guarantee is going to happen. So whether it shoots up here, it's hard to tell how high it will go, but we will get a retest of this, no matter how long it takes. It can go up here and zigzag around for a while and zigzag, but it will come back here. I promise that. Eventually it will. It always does, every time you get a breakout. So right now, Bitcoin on the weekly still pushing up at 191. The monthly still at that 100 and 100, right up there. The daily turning back up, 42 and a 38. No bearish divergence here that I see. As long as, well, you do have this high, you do have a higher high here, you have a lower high so far on here, okay, but we'll see what happens. The 12-hour, little bit of bearish divergence. The 8-hour, let's see here. Yeah, you got some bearish divergence on the 8. So it could be running out of some steam. The 4-hour, of course, a little bit of bearish divergence there also. Just, it's bound to happen. We're bound to get a pullback at some point here. All right. I mean, you can see here on the hourly, it's kind of might be easing up a little bit. If I was you, if you're tracking this, I would put a trend line on here and watch it. Breaks the trend line. That could be a pullback we're looking for here. Here was the previous all-time high. Maybe we get it now, comes back and retests it, and then bounces out of here. We'll see what happens, but I expect a very, very decent sized pullback here at some time. All right, now over here, what's weird is Bitcoin dominance, all right, is actually on the rise, which we've talked about. All right, here we're coming up, where we at here? Still haven't hit that 50%. That 618 is up here at the V wave that we're talking about. And look at this thing, still marching its way up here and still in trend. Okay, still using that trend line. Expecting it to get up here to 60%. We're at 54 now, so keep an eye on that thing. The Dow Jones up another 31 points. Look at the Dow. Got a red monthly starting on here. Okay, the monthly has flip bearish on the Dow, 97 and a 99. What does that mean? We'll see. All right, it has flip bearish. We have done, I've showed you guys this, a full 4.236 Fibonacci extension. We zoom out here. Look at that, a full extension on this thing right up to the tippy top. So we've actually peeked out the top of it a little bit here. Let's go down through here real quick. The DXY, nothing major, 102.8. The big ones I want to see are down here at the bottom. All right, the NASDAQ, yeah, same thing, full Fibonacci extension right to the very top, 4.236. Let's see here. the S&P 500, you know, full extension right to the top. Let's get this off here so you can see it right there. There you go. Just about a full extension. It's almost there, just a few points off. Now here's what I want to see: the total 1 and total 2 market cap here. Let's get a look here at this. Let's take this off log. All right, and open this chart up. See what's going on here. This is the crypto total market cap with Bitcoin. All right, get that off there. Get this off here. All right. Wow. Yeah, you can see we are almost up there, almost setting a new all-time high for the total crypto market cap also. We are up through the 786. Unbelievable. 3.0 trillion is the all-time high, and right now we're at 2.6. So getting very, very close. We get through there, then we're heading to 4.4, and you know the full fib for this is 10.3 trillion, 3x what we did last time. So can you imagine what kind of price targets we're going to be looking for? It's still crazy. This is March. You know, back here, if you come back here, you know, really back in 2017, 2018, you know, you look here, it really picked up August, you know, July. You can see a little bit of a pickup here in, you know, May, June, July. It started its uptrend, but crazy. And then back here in 2021, we never took out the previous total market cap until December of 2020. Okay, and then we come over here, and of course we had the 2021 bull market, and here we are in March, just about ready to take it out. Unbelievable. This looks like a wave 1, 2 right here. Let's put a trend-based fib on that and see what kind of target we got. That would give this thing a target up at $3.11 trillion. Alright, so I would expect a wave 4 pullback here at some time. On the monthly, we're at a 98.8 and a 98.8. The weekly, a 100 and a 100. The daily's turned back up. Alright, you can see that there. Do we have a bearish divergence here? So far we do. You know, it depends if this comes up and takes out this prior high. The 12-hour, we do have bearish divergence here. We have this high, higher high in price, lower high on the RSI. The 8-hour, bearish divergence. Okay, so keep an eye on that there. Let's take a look at the total market cap without Bitcoin. And these are big to look at. You know, we definitely want to take a look at these things. Wow, look at that. Straight up. You know, if you put a trend line on this thing, right there it is. Okay, that's your trend line. You can see your wick here, lines up absolutely perfect. All right, so if you're keeping an eye on that, it's got lots of room to come down and still stay in trend. If we go out in a weekly, where are we at? We're at the 618. We're only at the 618 right now. This is the total market cap without Bitcoin. And we are right at $1.2 trillion. Okay, so looking good. It's still got a ways to go with this one. But the, you know, and the same story. This didn't happen, you know, until, there you go. We took out the previous one in, what was it, February? The high was over here. February of 2021. I took out the previous all-time high from back here in 2018 bull run, February 2021. Let me get this off here a second. And then 2021 we had this first run, then the second run. Yeah, well, we'll see. But anyway, but right now we're at the 618. With that, as far as the RSIs, the weekly's at a 100 and a 99. The monthly, 96.4 and a 96.4. Exactly the same. And then your daily is turning back up, bullish. Okay, so we'll keep an eye on this. If you're charting this at home, put your trend line on there just like that. Okay, and you know, like I mentioned, come join us, the level 3 membership, $14.99. Get you all these videos to teach you how to do this, and a link to the Discord. That Discord is killer, guys. I don't keep pushing that Discord because it's a joke. We are doing very, very well over there. I love it. You guys are making very good money. I had a new person come in the other day, and this isn't typical, but she made $1,000 her first week in the Discord, so I was pretty proud of that. She did a very good job. I had nothing to do with it. She did it all herself, so congratulations. That was pretty awesome. All right, here's the crypto bubbles for the week. Nice gains out there. Look at Gala, almost 55%. Love Gala games. Here's for the day. You can see Litecoin moving, and of course that Bitcoin dominance, you know, it's going to keep heading up here. Imagine when it starts falling, what these cryptos are going to do. It's going to be insane. You're going to see numbers like this daily, and I've seen it. I seen it the last bull run. I see numbers like this daily. The last alt season during the bull run, absolutely. This was nothing abnormal. This would be an average, altcoin run. You know, that's what they look like. That's what it's gonna look like. It's gonna be crazy. Over here on the open interest, we have. Look how high it's getting, 72.7 billion. That's plus another 5%. 24-hour liquidations, 357.4 million. That's up 85.5%. 24-hour volume looking great, 263.3 billion. That's up 66% from yesterday. And we have 51.01 longs and 48.99% shorts in the market. Okay, all right, let's get over to the Block Explorer real quick. Let's take a look and see what's going on with wallets. I expect people to be stacking right now. Quite honestly, I would be shocked if they're not. Let's take a look here. Especially with Caspa holding ground there, ABCing and finding that bottom. Let's see. Here we go. All right, last 24 hours. Plus 2 sharks, minus 1 whale. Wow, that's crazy. You know, just a bet. I don't understand somebody selling at that point. And maybe they just didn't have conviction that it was going up from there, I guess. Maybe they should watch my videos once in a while. You know, I'm not always right, that's for sure. You know, nobody is. But that ABC marked the bottom, you know. Last 30 days, minus 13 whales. We've added 1 humpback the last week. And, of course, we got that 1 Aquaman. All right, let's go over here and look at this chart. See what's going on over here. There's my neighbor with his loud car. Do you hear that? I swear, it's like, you know, geez, man, put an exhaust on the thing. Holy cow. I mean, he's just a young kid. I know what I remember what it's like to be young. You don't really care. But, you know, the cop in this town, and they'll get him, that's for sure. They're pretty, he's pretty on the ball in this town. All right, let's see here. We got a green daily candle. Now this resistance area right here, okay, this was the resistance we were looking at to break, and we have poked a hole in it, okay? Now, we obviously hit this bottom. This ABC came in. A, B, C. okay, and that marks the bottom. This is held. When we did the last video, we expected this to hold, and it has held. The daily RSI is just turning up. It's at a 4.3 and a 6. Just turning up. Super oversold, okay? The weekly, you do have the weekly rolling over here at a 48 to 56. Kind of an odd spot for it to roll over. I expect that to pick back up and roll back up over again and start heading back up. All right, especially ever since, let me measure out a couple things here. I haven't taken a look at this for a minute. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can clearly see 5 waves right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves. We had that ABC come in after that. Yeah, I'm expecting that weekly to turn up. We got the 12-hour RSI just turning up. All right, 59 and a 41. You got your 8-hour bullish, 77 and a 68. The 4-hour is bearish, a 75 and an 85. All right, you got a bearish 4-hour. And the 1 hour is just turning up, okay? What I believe is going on here, you know, I don't think this is a fake out right here. I think this is a wave 1, 2, all right? It pulled back underneath here. I don't believe it's a fake out at all. If we put a fib retracement on here, all right, you can see a 618 pullback. That's going to catch a lot of people off guard probably. They'll think, oh, fake out. You know, there it goes. Just as I'm making the video. Unbelievable. I love it. How about that? Yeah, here it goes. Yeah, you got to love that. We're right in the middle of the video. That couldn't happen any better. But I'm expecting this to break back up through here. People are going to think that that was a fake out and expect this to roll over. It's not going to. All right, it's going to break up out of here. If this is a wave 1, 2, your next target, I'd love for it to just go rip them right out of here as I'm making the video right now. That would be perfect. Trend-based fib from the low to the high to the retracement would give us a target right up around 21.8, close to 22 cents. Between 21 and 22 cents, all right, is what we'll be looking at here. I totally believe that is a very, very good possibility. If we go back out here on a daily and put a fib on here, that marked our targets out, and 20, I believe, was one of our first targets. Yeah, 19.4. Okay, and then 25.7 was the next one there. All right, but let's go back in there on that 1 hour. Man, come on, break out of there for me, please, especially during the video. That would be fantastic. I would love to see that. You know, and it's right on here. I mean, we're right on the it could be out there just a hair more. Yeah, somewhere right about there. Now if we take that trend-based fib again and put it on there to the top, to the retracement, right there. Okay, that's the targets I'm looking for. 21 to 22 cents. All right, please go sign up for level 3, guys. We would love to have you. 185 members now. It helps the channel out tremendously. So if you enjoy the channel and you enjoy the content and you can afford it, please sign up for 15 bucks and support the channel and come join us over in Discord. All right, thank you so much. Have a great day, everybody, and I'll be talking to you soon.